Hello, my friends, Donnie and Sandra with you. And we are going to have another cooking in the motorhome.
Yep.
And what we got going on here is that now this is going to be the second time we have used the oven. And we used it for the first time on a trip on the top right-hand corner of North Carolina. We were up here, and I'm trying to remember exactly what county we were in. I don't know if it was Perquimans. It might have been Perquimans County, which is right here. I'm thinking this right here is the one. And then you got Perquimans and then Chowan. I'm actually saying it right there.
Yeah.
But we were at a church parking lot, boondocking, and we used the oven for the first time and made a pizza.
Yeah.
And so be looking for that video if it hasn't posted yet, and we'll show you how we felt about it. It was actually a success, and but it turned out really good. But Sandra's got another recipe that she's making, and what is this called?
This is called a pizza bake.
A pizza bake.
Yep.
And what exactly is a pizza bake?
It's basically all the toppings that you would put on a pizza. You put it in these little containers, and you mix it with the pizza sauce, and then you put cheese on top. And I just added some more pepperoni on top.
Cute. Well, I've got the oven.
So it's like a low carb pizza, but we are having some of my homemade garlic knots with it.
Okay. And you actually made this. This is we mill our own bread, guys. And so now that we will buy bread from stores. Well, matter of fact, on this one here, we bought some, what was those rolls called?
They're just like sub rolls.
Sub rolls, but they're
wheat.
They came from Trader Joe's. Oh my gosh, that bread was good. We
they
made
were herbed sub rolls.
Yeah, they made Subway's sandwiches out of it. Oh my gosh, it was good. But anyway, we're going to have that also, and she made these garlic knots herself. And so we actually packaged them ourselves, and so froze them, and so we're taking them. We're going to have this also, but this is the first time I've ever had this.
Yep.
And so it should be great. It should taste good, but
I made this ahead of time and we froze them. What happened was when our daughter moved out of the house, I made a bunch of these and sent them with her so she could just have something to pop in the oven. I bought these little containers on Amazon. They're like takeout lids. And then on hers, I would write like how long to bake them. I'm gonna do these on 400 for about 15 minutes, so everything just gets warm. Everything in here's cooked. These have like Italian sausage and hamburger and pepperoni and ham and bacon, I think. Peppers and onions, maybe some mushrooms and banana peppers, which is one of our favorite pizza toppings.
So you RVers out there, and just anybody that just at your house, here's a nice little meal. And so it is going to be really cold tonight. It's supposed to dip down into the low 30s, and so we are going we actually had the motorhome, oh gosh, since 2019. It's 2025, and this is the first time we've used the oven. And I've always heard...
This is the second time we've used the oven.
Oh, I know, but today is the second, but this is the first year that we actually use the oven. And I'm going to tell you right now, guys, if you want to go ahead and put it in, that's fine. We were always told that it'll heat up your RV and make it real hot, and I could possibly see that in the summertime, but I'm going to tell you, it really didn't... I didn't really could tell much of anything. I mean, you shut the oven up, and but... You know, because it's so cold, I mean, after we were done baking the pizza, we just opened up the oven and let the heat escape. And we do that at the house. I mean, heck, you're paying for it. Might as well get something out of it. So it's got like a dual, you can use it in two different ways. And so
the last couple minutes, I'll probably stick the garlic knots in there just to kind of warm them and crisp them up a little bit. And yeah, we'll be having dinner.
All right, guys. And what, 15 minutes?
15 minutes.
15 minutes. We're going to take them out and let you know what we think. All right, we got it all out. And we are having salad. These are the garlic knots that Sandra made. This is one of them. And whoa, now, puppy goggy. And so here is the bait, pizza bait. And we checked it out with a fork. It is nice and warm.
It was bubbling.
Hot all the way through. And so we haven't tasted it yet. We're going to do a taste test. You want to taste it? And I'll, since you are the person that put it all together.
It smells good. Let me get my garlic knot in here. Hold on.
But it took 15 minutes at 400 degrees. 15 minutes at 400 degrees.
Oh, it's hot, Donnie.
Does it taste like a pizza in a pan? And again, and you got, as far as the crust.
There's no crust.
There's no crust. There's no crust mixed in it. That's where the garlic knot comes in. The garlic nut would be, I guess, the crust for the pizza. You're getting all the toppings for the most part that goes on a pizza. That's what's in here.
That's what that's what it looks like.
It's a cool meal, guys. It'd be kind of fun to make with some kids.
Yeah.
And so.
And it's good for people that, if you don't eat the bread, it's low carb. So.
Okay.
There you go.
Good deal. Another fun meal to make in your RV on your camping trip or just at home.
This would actually work in the over the coals too.
Yeah, you can make it outside on a campfire.
Yeah.
You could actually do that. And so we'll have to remember that. All right, guys. We're going to munch down on here. You guys take care. We love you. Y'all have a great day.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.